Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus air fryer, a powerful, innovative kitchen gadget that promises to cook fresh or frozen food faster, healthier, and with less energy. It's a combination of conduction, convection, and infrared cooking technology packed into one sleek countertop appliance. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Nuwave Oven Pro Plus is a versatile kitchen tool that takes convenience to a whole new level. Whether you're cooking from frozen or fresh ingredients, this unit claims to cut your cooking time by up to 50% compared to traditional ovens and uses up to 85% less energy. That's a pretty bold claim, and we'll dive into whether it holds up. It features a triple combo cooking power: conduction, convection, and infrared, which works together to cook food from the inside out, ensuring it's tender and flavorful. A notable benefit of this technology is that it helps to remove excess fat while preserving juices, so your meals come out healthier without sacrificing taste. One of the key highlights is the linear thermal technology. This feature ensures that the temperature is consistently accurate throughout the entire cooking process. The oven monitors temperature fluctuations in real time, making small adjustments to ensure your food cooks evenly. But how does it actually perform in the real world? Let's take a closer look at my experience using this appliance. Setting up the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus is incredibly simple. After unboxing, it's a matter of placing the components together, and you're good to go. The intuitive controls are easy to navigate, even for those who aren't familiar with advanced kitchen gadgets. You can adjust the time and temperature as needed, which makes it super convenient for adjusting cooking on the fly. Whether you're cooking something simple like a frozen pizza or preparing a more complex meal, you have full control. During my testing, I threw a variety of foods at the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus to really test its versatility. First, I tried cooking frozen chicken wings. The key selling point here is that you don't need to defrost your food or preheat the oven, and the Pro Plus delivered. The wings came out crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, with minimal fat. The same applied to vegetables, where I cooked from frozen and didn't notice a difference in taste or texture compared to using a conventional oven. The convection fan did an excellent job of circulating heat, ensuring an even cook. One thing I was really impressed with was the power dome. It's shatterproof, which is a relief because I've had other kitchen appliances with delicate parts in the past. This power dome seems built to last, and its resistance to heat and impact is definitely a plus when you're working with high temperatures. Plus, it's really easy to clean. Speaking of cleanliness, this appliance doesn't just perform well in cooking, but it is also designed with convenience in mind, including a base and liner pan that catches any drippings, making cleanup a breeze. But let's talk about the cons. The size of the unit might be a consideration for some people with smaller kitchens. It's not tiny by any means, so you'll need adequate counter space. Another downside is the noise. When the fan kicks into high gear, it can be a bit louder than I expected. It's not unbearable, but it's something to consider if you're sensitive to noise in the kitchen. Now, let's discuss the value for money. The Nuwave Oven Pro Plus is priced at a premium, but it's important to consider what you're getting. With 100 programmed menu presets, the ability to grill, bake, air fry, and dehydrate all in one appliance, this is a highly versatile product. Compare it to similar air fryers or ovens, and you'll find that this offers a lot of functionality for its price. However, if you're only looking for an air fryer and nothing else, there may be more affordable options that perform similarly in that one aspect. When comparing the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus to other multi-cookers on the market, it stands out due to its combination of infrared, conduction, and convection cooking. Other popular models like the Foodie, for instance, focus more on the air frying aspect, and while they're excellent at that, they don't offer the same versatility. So, if you're someone who wants a product that can handle a range of cooking techniques with great efficiency, this could be the right choice for you. In terms of build quality, the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus feels solid and durable. The shatterproof power dome and the sturdy base reassure me that this appliance will hold up over time. There are no reports of widespread issues with longevity, and based on the materials used and Nuwave's reputation, it seems like a reliable product. Now, let's talk about customer support. Nuwave has a solid reputation for customer service. In my experience, they've been responsive and helpful when needed, though I haven't had any major issues with the product so far. If you do need assistance, Nuwave offers support through their website and over the phone, and they provide a comprehensive manual with the unit to help guide you through any setup or usage questions. The final verdict? The Nuwave Oven Pro Plus is an impressive kitchen appliance that truly delivers on its promises. It's versatile, fast, and efficient, saving both time and energy. The ability to cook frozen food without defrosting or preheating is a huge plus for anyone with a busy lifestyle. It's not without its drawbacks, namely its size and noise, but overall, it's a top contender for anyone looking for an all-in-one cooking solution. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this review or have any questions about the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV, helping you make informed choices, one review at a time.